Here's 3 shortcuts in one. I use 3 of the blurs all the time. It doesn't mean I don't use the others, but because I use 3 for a lot of different things, I'm going to go ahead and set up a custom keyboard shortcut. Under Filter, Blur, we'll start with Gaussian blur. Control, Option, Command, G. Then Motion blur, Control, Option, Command, M. And Radial blur, Control, Option, Command, R. Do you start to see my philosophy for saving these out? I'm going to go ahead and save that. And the first time you save this, make sure height extension is not on. You need that to be on, okay? You need that to be off, excuse me. And then I'm just going to click once again. The first time you do it, you have to give it a name. I hope you figured that out, okay? Because I named mine Demo, and then we worked together, right? Okay, so I'm going to replace it, and there we go.